Hi, my name is Jörg Kyas and I'm a Canon Explorer for about 2 years now. In my whole production chain, every equipment is given to me by Canon. I can use the lenses, the cameras to produce it. They also have a brilliant software to develop the raw files and also to print it out on Canon printers or on Canon LFPs. They give me just quite amazing possibilities to do my own style of photography and to show my creativity to my clients. To have a physical print, to hold it in my hand and to look at it is very important to me still. Just an important thing is to give as a gift at the end of a job one physical copy to the client, because data is nowadays very soon vanished and gone. It always reminds you on the good job probably the photographer did, makes us staying in their mind. I enjoy very much the possibility that are given to me by the vibrancy and the vivid colors which Canon LFP delivers. I haven't had this on classical photography. As you can see here, the skin tone and the vibrancy of the colors are amazing. I can show these pictures to my clients and don't have to say any word about it because they see, they feel the color. Before we had for about 2 or 3 years the image program 6300 and we were already happy with this, but now that we have the 6450 we are just even a little bit more happy just because the new color, the Lucia ink and the new paper, the gloss paper 2 offers us a quality which we haven't seen before. What I also like about an LFP having in my studio an image prograph, the quality is so high you can just put it to the wall and could do an exhibition or something like this. The important things for us were the quality of the image in first, and the second thing was the speed of how long do you need for one print. One of the main things we do with the LFP is print out our own portfolio, and when we print out our own portfolio we just do it in the highest quality we can deliver. If you choose highest quality in printouts, the times of a printout differ between 4 minutes with Canon and 15 minutes with competitive products. Think it over, we have a whole portfolio to print out. All in all, it differs about 1 or 2 days. Another good thing about these products is that you don't see that they are there because they don't have any problems. One thing which I enjoy very much now, which is very comfortable to me with the new image program, is the adaptive pattern printout, which makes work with these products still faster for us, because we just have one printout, take a look about the color tone, the skin tone, the contrast for example, and everything is done with one print and we just can go to production over. That differences in between all these pictures are very slow and very little, but these little differences can make a much better impression, and it's much easier if you can compare it on the final media. By now we're very happy with our LFP. You never know what the future will bring. And then it's good to know that your partner in business, Canon, offers you the possibility to even print bigger with the same quality or even better.